Speaking of vehicles, here's a weird one. There's no way you knew this. Land Rover has a phone. Did we talk about this before? The Land Rover phone? Anyway, they upgraded it. It's called the Explore R. It's designed for outdoor enthusiasts. I don't know. Do you have to have a Land Rover to get one of these? It would be very strange to have a Land Rover phone, no Land Rover.
Yeah. What was that called? A poser?
Yeah, that might be what that is. Anyways, they have built upon what they're calling the toughest phone in the world by releasing an updated version of the Explore smartphone, this time called the Explore R. But the thing is, I go through and read the thing, and I'm not super impressed. Yes, you can drop it multiple times from 1.8 meters. Yes, it's waterproof at up to 1.5 meters at 1.5 meter depths for 35 minutes. Yes, it's completely dust and sand proof, but then you look at the other specs and you're like 5.7 inch HD plus display. All right. 3,100 milliamp hour battery. All right. 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs storage. All right. You see?
Yeah.
Now, it's not the most expensive thing in the world either at $534 USD. It's kind of a weird product. I have a hard time figuring out what to make of it. It has expandable storage. I would assume, Will, it's some sort of off-the-shelf device that they just like ruggedized and put a Land Rover badge on it.
Yeah.
I can't imagine they spent all that much time on it, but it does have military specifications, and maybe if you're a Land Rover super fan, you have yourself an Explore R that maybe you don't even use it. Maybe you just keep using your whatever smartphone you have, and then you just keep that one.
Just have that on the dash.
And on the dash.
Yeah.
Just for the full Land Rover fandom.
Does this give you the vibes of Land Rover?
No.
There like
no, not at all. It gives me the
sensor?
vibes of a phone from 2007. Vin used to have a phone look exact.
Yeah.
Huge forehead, huge chin. It looks like an iPhone SE or something. It looks outdated. I don't really understand it, but hey, man, when it comes to the car fanatics and a particular brand they get associated with, you can buy everything, the hats and keychains and shoes and wallets and headphones I've seen. So you can't underestimate the fandom. And if you want to buy it almost like Land Rover merch, well, you have at it.